Historical New Braunfels, Texas, the midway point between San Antonio and Austin. When people think about New Braunfels, several things come to mind right away. The first one is probably Schlitterbahn, the best water park on the whole planet. The next one is tubing on the Guadalupe. And let's not forget the biggest week-long party in town, Wurstfest.
Welcome to Wurstfest!
Wurstfest is about family, fun, sausage, and especially beer.
Now let's go take a look at this one-of-a-kind Craftsman style home on 1292 North Business 35 in New Braunfels. This home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a built-in handicap ramp, and sits on a hefty 1.4 acre lot. The floor plan is pretty open, and there's hardwood flooring throughout the home, except for the kitchen and dining room, both of which have tile. Both bedrooms in this home have a good amount of space and are the perfect combination for a small family. The number one feature of this home is the 1.4 acre lot that it sits on, and it is astonishing. The bulk of it is in the backyard, and the possibilities are just endless with that amount of space. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.